What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Bitcoin, more consolidation, but institutions are buying. We'll discuss ETFs as well. And maybe, just maybe, well, we'll focus on Bitcoin. And if there is time, I'll take a look at some altcoins. All right. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right. So yesterday was the first day of a green day, inflow day for Bitcoin ETFs. Previous to that, it was having 4 days in a row. It had 4 days in a row of outflows. Okay, we'll take a look at the chart in a minute. So I want you to keep that in mind, and I want you to take these two articles. I'm just going to give you the takeaways, the main points. All right, the rise of Bitcoin ETFs such as Bitwise's Bitcoin Standard Corporation's ETF and Strive Bitcoin Bond ETF signals strong institutional interest in Bitcoin. I've mentioned previous videos, wave after wave, right? These are more waves coming in. Public companies are buying Bitcoin in record numbers, which is driving mainstream adoption. Bitcoin's 130% rise this year is a clear sign of increasing market confidence, with institutional investment leading the way. The short-term outlook, Bitcoin's momentum is showing no signs of slowing down as these ETFs gain traction and institutional investments continue to flood into Bitcoin. We could see more public companies adopt Bitcoin as part of their treasury strategy. The $100,000 mark is just the beginning, and I believe so too. Bitcoin could push even higher as more institutions and investors look to hedge against traditional market risks, guys. Okay, so and to kind of add to that, okay, KULR Technology, a company specializing in energy storage, has adopted a Bitcoin treasury strategy by purchasing 217.818 Bitcoin for approximately $21 million. In this article, KULR Technologies, MicroStrategy, Rumble, Genius Corp, Genius Group, Semler Scientific, MetaPlanets, they're all mentioned. Okay, they're all discussing or have stores of Bitcoin, and they're going to add, or they're thinking out, or they have Bitcoin for their treasuries. Okay, just keep that in mind. More, and it's going to be just more and more companies, guys, coming in. Okay, the article is bullish towards crypto. It highlights the growing institutional interest and adoption of Bitcoin, especially by publicly traded companies. KULR, significant investment in Bitcoin as a treasury reserve, along with the increasing number of companies adopting similar strategies, indicates confidence in Bitcoin's long-term potential as a hedge and store of value. This trend aligns with broader macroeconomic concerns about inflation and fiat currency risks, signaling that more institutional players are looking to Bitcoin for stability. And short-term outlook, with more companies investing in Bitcoin and integrating it into their balance sheets, the crypto market is likely to see increased institutional adoption. The continued bullish momentum for Bitcoin as more corporations recognize its value could lead to more price gains in the medium to long term. Okay, now let's take a look visually at the chart. Okay, and doesn't look as bad based now that you say we're given that information, right? So now you have a little bit more color. If I didn't give that information, this would look a little bit more scary, but yeah, I come back to you again that we've been here before. Look at these little wicks, right? And that's all that it's proven to be. We have hours before this candle closes, and so far, when we've dropped this low, they've only proven to be wicks because during the time of closing, the bodies have all been above this line, as you can see right now. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. If we are not able to keep this, then support would be at around 90,000. The next area of support I would see at around 90,000, right? Basically the bottom of this wick, right where this stuff is, right around here. And then if we lose that, then 86,000. But again, to me, that's less probable than us staying in this little area and really eventually going to the top of this channel. Okay, to the top of this channel. And as I mentioned yesterday, once we get past this new all-time high that was made December 17th, we're going to go up much higher, much faster. Okay, everything is going to accelerate how I see it, and we're just going to start doing the final parabolic part of it. Okay, which could last basically a year. Okay, roughly a year, 10 to 12 months, something along those lines. So things are all right, guys. Things are all right. Everything is looking fine. I see just a bunch of bullish information coming out. Okay, when I mentioned yesterday was a green day for Bitcoin ETFs, and look, we had a red day yesterday. And previous to that, 4 days of outflows. Two of those 4 days were green days. Okay, Tuesday and Wednesday, the 24th and the 25th were green days, and then Two other ones are red day. So they affect each other, the Bitcoin price and the Bitcoin ETFs inflows and outflows. Okay, one doesn't drive the other all the time. Okay, they do affect each other. Sometimes one could be driving, sometimes the other could be driving. Regarding the price and the Bitcoin ETF inflows and outflows. Okay, so I thought that was interesting. Give you guys a lot of color of what's going on with the chart, and really we're fine. We're at the lower part of this channel. All right, the probabilities to me are that we hold on to this and we come back the other way, touch the top part of this channel. Once we break through that, we're going much higher. And that's pretty much how I sees it. Let's take a look at what the Dow Jones is doing. Red day, NASDAQ, red day, S&P 500, red day. Bitcoin, all things considered, is holding on pretty strong, guys. Okay. And I think that's really it. That's all I wanted to bring to your attention. I wanted to focus on Bitcoin as the Bitcoin market cap is market cap dominance. Bitcoin dominance is dropping. Others is holding on pretty well. Okay, this is altcoin centric channel. Okay, I like low cap alts, so that's why I look at the others market cap. Okay, because it's the crypto market cap excluding the top 10, so it just gives me a better idea of what's going on with those lower cap coins. That's how we look at it. All right, let's take a look at some altcoin plays. Okay, IQ. I think I mentioned this one to you yesterday. I think maybe this one is bottoming out. Okay, maybe it has a little bit more to go. Okay, maybe it's 2 cents right now. It's at 0.003 cents, 0.002 cents. Maybe is as low as it could go. We'll see. It's only at 3.3 million market cap, 562,000 in volume. This is on Solana. Quant might be at a good buy area, although it might have a little bit more to go. Let's take a look at the chart really quick. I don't know. Yeah, I think maybe we have a little bit more downside to go. Let's see what it looks like in the daily. This might have been the local top right here. Okay, so maybe let's see how lower it can go. Let's see what happens if it goes back down to 786. 618 would be at 004, and the 786 would be at 003. Right now we're at 006, guys. All right, Quant. I like that one, and I also like Agency. Agency dropped a lot today. 5.9 million market cap. 5.9 million market cap. And looks like it maybe wants to head down to the 786. Maybe. Right, it's still at the top part of this, what the 618 is at 0066, but it could come down, touch the 786, and maybe consolidate there for a little while. 004112. That would be a good area to pick it up, guys. Okay, Agency, LARP detective agency on Solana. I like it. What's Bro's doing? Bro is on base. Okay, Virtuals is killing it, by the way. Eventually this will probably turn over. I don't know exactly where. Okay, 19.6 million in market cap. I thought maybe yesterday, and it kept going up higher. Okay, 19.6 million market cap. It dropped, and it kept going up. I think maybe it still has some more upside to go. It's showing some strength. 1.2 million in volume. Narrowbro by Virtuals. This one's a good one. AI agent. 19 days, 4 hours. Okay. Let's see what else. Anything that stands out right now? Vibe to me. This morning it was lower. It was like just playing with this line, doing what it's been doing the last couple of days. Now this could be a cup and handle. Okay, this could be a cup and handle. Obviously it's in a triangle, and it's at the top part of this triangle, fighting to get out. Now if we can't get out, then yes, I can see it coming back down. I don't know if it touches 0.0029, which would be the bottom part. It's done it before. Okay, maybe it does a double bottom type thing and just kind of walks out and then starts moving up, but this looks bullish to me. Like I said, kind of cup and handle. Let's see if it breaks through that. If it breaks through that, it's going much higher. Good area to buy. Still under $10 million market cap, 7.5 million in market cap, 361,000 in volume. 1 month, 12 days old. VibeCat. It is vibing, guys. It is vibing. I think that one's gonna do well. Okay, let's take a look at one that did move today. Let's see what it's doing. Able. It's like a 1.8 million market cap, less than 2 million in market cap, guys. This is gonna go much higher, and right now it's just fighting really hard to kind of move up. Okay, as you can see, it's moved up, it's come back down, held support right here at 0017, and now let's see if it can break past resistance at 0.0020. If we can break that, then I think we're going to go back up here where we see 00331. If we can break that, then we're going much higher than the next area of resistance I would see at 00671, and then after that 0092. Once we break out of this area, that like a $9+ million market cap, then it's bye time. All right, so but there's still let's see how quickly it can kind of break through this whole area, and I think it will. I think maybe this will prove to be the local top at 00110. Apple. I like it. Let's take a look at Miggles really quick, because Miggles also had a good area. Do we come down and touch this 786? Depends what the rest of the market does. Okay, but so far maybe it's just a double bottom. Okay, it's giving back a lot of gains that it made, but I mean this was a huge run up from this bottom up here. That's a huge run up. Okay, so that this happens, it's pretty much normal for crypto. Again, after the pumps, they usually come back down to 618 and the 786, and look at where it is. It's actually between both, guys. Okay, so that's why I put those fibs there. Once I see that okay, that was the top, and then let's see where it could possibly come back down to. Okay. Oh, so why? Another reason why you should be looking at Miggles, Toshi, KeyCat, and maybe to a lesser degree Dog and Me, but KeyCat, Toshi, and Miggles, because Binance gave like a nice clue saying basically let's touch base after the holiday season, kind of saying in a way saying that they're going to list a base project or maybe more base projects on Binance. So I mean these are definitely Miggles, Toshi, and KeyCat would be in the running to be listed there, and if any of those or all of those get listed, these prices will be long gone, and we will be 5, 10, 15x higher. Okay, something along those lines. All right, keep that in mind. All right, we're gonna leave it there. Let's see if we hold this. I'd like to see it hold. Okay, I think it will, but you never know. All right, and if it does drop, man, it's just opportunity. It just cements the fact that the idea that I have that, and a lot of people have, that the market is going to top out more than likely Q4 of 2025. Okay, Q4 of 2025, somewhere over here, somewhere here. It's more or less where I think we're probably going to top out of. See what happens. Guys, we'll leave it there. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. Trying to grow this channel, and all this stuff really does help. With all that said, thank you very much. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.